Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We look forward to your like and subscription. Smooth hood operation, the ultimate guide to lubricating hood hinges. Ever tried to pop your car's hood and found it stiff or creaky? If so, you're not alone. A squeaky or incooperative hood hinge is more than just an annoyance. It can be a real problem when you need to access your engine quickly. In this video, we'll show you how to lubricate your hood hinge effectively. You'll learn the best products to use and step-by-step instructions to keep everything running smoothly. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your car's components and save you from costly repairs down the line. Whether you're a seasoned DI or just looking to solve an immediate issue, this guide has got you covered. Read on to keep your hood hinge in top shape and ensure easy access to your engine whenever you need it. Importance of lubricating hood hinges. Lubricating your hood hinges is crucial for the optimal performance and maintenance of your vehicle. Let's go into why it is essential to keep those hinges well lubricated. Mechanical functionality. Ensuring that your hood hinges are properly lubricated plays a significant role in enhancing the mechanical functionality of your vehicle. When you apply lubricant to the hood hinges, it eases the movement, allowing for smoother opening and closing of the hood. This not only makes it more convenient for you when accessing the engine compartment but also prevents unnecessary strain on the hinges, potentially extending their lifespan. Prevention of rust. Regularly lubricating your hood hinges also serves as a preventive measure against rust and corrosion. The metal components of the hinges can be prone to rust when exposed to moisture and environmental elements. By applying lubricant, you create a barrier that helps repel water and moisture, reducing the risk of rust formation. This simple maintenance task can contribute to preserving the integrity of your hood hinges and preventing costly repairs down the line. Choosing the right lubricant. When it comes to ensuring smooth functioning and longevity of your hood hinges, selecting the right lubricant is crucial. Let's explore the different types of lubricants suitable for hood hinges and the key factors to consider when making your choice. Types of lubricants. 1. Silicone spray lubricant. Silicone-based lubricants are popular for their water-resistant properties, making them ideal for protecting hood hinges from rust and corrosion. The non-greasy formula also helps in repelling dirt and debris, keeping the hinges clean and friction-free. 2. White lithium grease. White lithium grease is known for its high viscosity and excellent adhesion, providing long-lasting lubrication for hood hinges. It works well in a wide range of temperatures, ensuring smooth operation even in extreme weather conditions. 3. Graphite lubricant. Graphite lubricants are effective dry lubricants that penetrate deep into the hood hinge components, reducing friction and preventing wear. They are particularly useful in areas where oil-based lubricants may attract dirt and grime. Factors to consider. 1. Temperature resistance. Consider the climate in which your vehicle operates. Opt for a lubricant that can withstand temperature fluctuations to prevent it from drying out or becoming too viscous, which could impede the movement of the hinges. 2. Longevity. Look for a lubricant that offers long-lasting protection to reduce the frequency of reapplication. A durable lubricant will ensure that your hood hinges remain properly lubricated for an extended period, maintaining smooth operation. Choosing the right lubricant for your hood hinges can significantly impact the performance and durability of your vehicle. By understanding the different types of lubricants available and considering factors like temperature resistance and longevity, you can make an informed decision that will keep your hood hinges in top condition. Step-by-step guide to lubricating hood hinges. After ensuring your car is in good working condition, lubricating the hood hinges is a simple task that can prevent squeaking and ensure smooth operation. Let's walk through the process step by step. Preparation. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools: a can of lubricant spray specifically designed for automotive use, a clean rag, and protective gloves to shield your hands from any chemicals. Safety first. Make sure the car is parked on a level surface with the engine turned off. Application process. 1. Cleaning. Start by wiping down the hood hinges with a clean rag to remove any dirt or debris that might have accumulated. 2. Spraying. Shake the lubricant can well and then spray a generous amount directly onto the hood hinges. Be sure to cover all moving parts thoroughly. 3. Working the hinges. To distribute the lubricant evenly, gently open and close the hood several times. 4. Wiping off excess. Use a clean rag to wipe off any excess lubricant that may have dripped or gathered around the hinges. Post-lubrication tips. Regular maintenance. Check the hood hinges periodically and reapply lubricant as needed to keep them functioning smoothly. Avoid over-lubricating. Using too much lubricant can attract dirt and cause a buildup over time. A thin, even layer is all that's needed. By following these simple steps and tips, you can keep your hood hinges in top condition and enjoy a hassle-free experience every time you need to access your engine compartment. Frequency of lubrication. Lubricating your hood hinge is essential to maintain the smooth functioning of your vehicle's hood mechanism. The frequency at which you should lubricate the hood hinge depends on various factors, including how often you use your vehicle and the environmental conditions it is exposed to. Recommendations. Considering the importance of keeping your hood hinge properly lubricated, it is generally advisable to lubricate it at least every 6 months. However, if you live in an area with extreme weather conditions, such as frequent rain or snow, or if you frequently drive on dusty or gravel roads, you may need to lubricate the hood hinge more often. Regular lubrication not only ensures that the hood opens and closes smoothly but also helps prevent rust and corrosion, which can develop when metal components rub against each other without proper lubrication. By following a regular lubrication schedule based on your vehicle's usage and the environmental conditions it faces, you can extend the lifespan of the hood hinge and avoid costly repairs in the future. Signs to re-lubricate hood hinges. When it comes to the smooth operation of your vehicle, the condition of your hood hinges plays a crucial role. Recognizing the signs that indicate the need for re-lubricating the hood hinges can help you prevent potential issues down the road. Indicators of dry hinges. 1. Squeaking or squealing noises. One of the most common signs of dry hood hinges is when you hear squeaking or squealing noises every time you open or close the hood. This can be a clear indication that the hinges lack proper lubrication. 2. Difficulty opening or closing the hood. If you notice that it's becoming increasingly challenging to open or close the hood smoothly, it could be due to dry hinges. The friction caused by lack of lubrication can make the operation stiff and cumbersome. 3. Visible rust or corrosion. Inspect the hood hinges for any visible signs of rust or corrosion. Dry hinges are more prone to rusting, which can further impede the movement of the hood. Troubleshooting. Clean the hinges. Before applying lubricant, make sure to clean the hood hinges thoroughly to remove any dirt, grime, or old lubricant that might be causing the issue. Apply high-quality lubricant. Choose a high-quality lubricant specifically designed for automotive use. Apply a generous amount to the hinges to ensure smooth operation. Work the hood. After applying the lubricant, open and close the hood several times to allow the lubricant to penetrate the hinges effectively. Regular maintenance. To prevent dry hinges in the future, make it a practice to inspect and lubricate the hood hinges as part of your regular vehicle maintenance routine. By keeping an eye out for these signs and taking proactive measures to re-lubricate your hood hinges when needed, you can ensure that your hood operates smoothly and efficiently, avoiding potential issues in the long run. Properly lubricating your hood hinge is a simple yet vital maintenance task. It ensures your hood operates smoothly and enhances the longevity of the hinge itself. Regular checks and lubrication prevent rust and wear, saving you time and money on more extensive repairs. Keep a close eye on your hood hinge and make lubrication a part of your routine car maintenance. Your vehicle will thank you for it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.